I bet you've never seen shrimp threads under 1,000 times zoom. Imagine having your heart in your head. That's the reality for shrimp. These tiny sea creatures defy our usual understanding of anatomy. In their compact bodies, the heart is located right above their eyes, nestled in the protection of their heads. It's a curious adaptation that always astonishes those learning about marine biology. But that's not the only remarkable thing about shrimp. Have you ever heard of the snapping shrimp? They can snap their claws so powerfully that it creates a shock wave, stunning their prey. This isn't just a click. It's so forceful that it momentarily generates temperatures comparable to the sun's surface. Shrimp are also masterful in the art of disguise. Their ability to change color helps them blend seamlessly into their surroundings. Whether hiding from predators or sneaking up on their prey, these color shifts make shrimp the ultimate chameleons of the sea. Now let's talk about the shrimp's unique role as the ocean's janitors. Some species, known as cleaning shrimp, set up cleaning stations where they meticulously remove parasites and dead tissue from fish. This symbiotic relationship keeps the ocean's inhabitants healthy